All right, here, hold that. All right, so listen up, here's what we got. So, single leg bridge, so just like Jess is doing right now, Jess demo, single leg bridge to warm up for girls. So today for our actual workout, what we're gonna be doing is pause reps. So for most of these moves, what that means is you're going to pause at the bottom of the motion, like if you're doing a squat, for 2 seconds before you come back up. Or on a lunge, you're gonna go almost touching, hold for 2 seconds, and then finish the lunge, right? On most of the moves. Really the only ones that are gonna, when it comes to the leg stuff, that'll probably be opposite of that will be the hip thrust. That one you're gonna hold at the top for 2 seconds. Okay, the other ones are basically holding at the bottom of everything. So for move number 1, ladies, you guys have hack squat. So in case you guys don't remember this boys are doing this today too. Lean up against this, walk your feet out, hold, and then come up like that. Okay, so that's hack squat. Number 2, we have elevated static lunge. So you have these little boxes over here. So what you're gonna do is go almost to the floor. So you're gonna go almost, 1, 2, and then come up with dumbbells though. So you're gonna come down, 1, 2, and then come up. Okay, so that's number 2. Number 3, we got hurdle jumps. So grab a hurdle, just go over it sideways for 20. For B, there's 3 moves per set today, by the way. B, hip thrust, holding it at the top for 2 seconds. B2, we have walking lunges. So you're gonna almost touch the ground, hold for 2 seconds, step through, hold for 2 seconds, step through. Then for number 3, we have sled push, okay? Then for C, squat stance deadlift, which with the bar, this one like this, where you're like this, but you're gonna hold almost touching the floor, right? And then come back up on that one. C2, we have 2 dumbbell stiff leg deadlift. This one at the bottom too, so you're gonna hold it at the bottom for 2 seconds, then come up. And then for C3, plate frog jump, okay? Then for boys, we have squat jumps to warm up, right? And then we have barbell squat, so we're doing pause reps. So what you're gonna do, heavy weight, pause at the bottom, 2 seconds, then come up. We're only doing 5 reps on this one, so you still need to make sure you're going heavy. It's only 5 reps, okay? So number 2, dumbbell walking lunges. So you're gonna be doing walking lunges, pause at the bottom, almost touch the knee, then step through. Hold it, step through, okay? Then for A3, we got 3 moves per set, by the way. Floor reverse crunch. Land your back right here, grab the pole, and then you're gonna roll your knees to your elbows. Just a reverse crunch, you're just doing it on the floor, okay? B, we got hack squat. Your guys' is over here because it's a little heavier. So this is the one where you're gonna lean back against the plate like this, walk your feet out, and then come down, hold for 2 seconds, and then come up. Okay, so we got hack squat. B2, we have reverse lunges with fixed bar. So use a fixed bar, and then what you're doing is whenever you come back, almost touch, hold for 2 seconds, and then you're going right back into the same leg. So hold, and then back to the same leg. Do all 5 on one side before you change over. Then B3, decline sit-up with the plate reach. So you're gonna be on the decline sit-up right here. Hold like a 25, 45, come down, and then reach it up to the sky. And then, let's see, so that was B. C, we got hex low. So with the low handle on the hex bar, we're gonna be going this side of the bar. And then this one, same thing. You're holding it at the bottom and then back up. Then for C2, we have dumbbell stiff dead, 2 of them, holding at the bottom and then coming up. And then for C3, we have sit up feet up with the feet under the rack. So you're gonna put a dumbbell on your chest. And then from here, you're going like this. But actually, so on the sit-ups, you guys are actually holding it back here for 2 seconds and then coming up. On that one over there too. So you're coming down and then coming up. So without touching, got it? And then for finisher, last thing is we have, let's see, lunge jumps with dumbbells, and then plate push round trip, just those two. Ready, go. Exer.